Hello guys, just received my tires, brand new 35 inches by 12.5 inches. That will go on my brand new 18 inches wheel. BFGoodrich KO2. I love the tread of these tires. It's 10 ply, so it's very strong. They also allowed to run on winters. They have the little mountain here. It's upside down, but you can see the little mountain. I don't know yet if I will run these on winter. I will try it, but I will still keep my winter tires. So if I don't like the traction on the road on the highs with these beasts, I will switch with my winter tires, but at least I will have the opportunity to try these in the snow as well. I already have an appointment with my tire man, Robin. Can't wait to see the look of my truck with these tires. My new wheels also have a big negative offset. These wheels, the original 4 wheels, have a positive offset of 40, and my new wheels are 9 inches instead of these 7.5 inches, but they also have a negative offset of 12, so it will throw out the wheels almost 2 inches out. Plus these beasts on it. I can't wait to see the look of the truck with these tires on it and my new wheels. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you will be the first to see the look of my new truck as soon as I will release the video on the installation of these tires on my truck. So on this, I wish everybody a great week, a great day, and see you later. Bye.